Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show how to install Zabbix on Ubuntu 22.04. So let's start. First we need to install Zabbix repository. We will try to install Zabbix repository. My Ubuntu version is 22.04, so I change it. Then again we change 22.2. Yes, we already done. Now we'll check update. Yes, after that we need to install Zabbix server for front-end agent. Is need to few times. We'll wait for finish. Then we need to install database. Here I will use MySQL database, so I just copy MySQL script for install. Yes, we are waiting. We will back after finished. I just pause the recording. Yes, Zabbix front end is installation done. Now we need to install database server. Here I will use MySQL server. We are waiting for finish. I pause the video because it is need to time. I just pause. MySQL database installation done. Now I will start MySQL services. Now I will check the status. Yes, MySQL is running in background. Now we create a database user and database. You can set root password, or also you can leave it. Create database Zabbix database. And just create a user Zabbix, and I will set password is password. Grant all privileges. And transaction created just one. Now we can quit. If you follow all steps, I think you will successfully install your Zabbix server. Here, put on the Zabbix password, which I will set when I create a MySQL database. Here will take some times, so I just pause my video, and after that, when it will be done, then I will come back. Yes, done. Now we need trash function creations options after importing database schema is need to disable. Okay, now I will log in MySQL database. And set it to 0. Global log bin trust function creations 0. Okay. Now I change the database password in Zabbix server configuration file. Here we will find it. DB name Zabbix, it's okay. Yes, DB password. DB password is password, but I've already set it. Now save and exit. Now restart our services and enable it and enable it. Okay, now I will access Zabbix. Okay, if everything is okay, yes, we will done. Mandatory all field is okay. Now next, database localhost port is 0, database name is Zabbix, username Zabbix, and password is, I will set it, you can choose as is your own. Okay, then next, cannot connect, acha, using password. Okay, then next, Zabbix server name is NMS, time is set it Asia Dhaka. Where is it? Yes, got it. Theme you can choose anything, dark blue, high contrast light, high contrast dark. I just default theme will choose, first choose, then next, pre-installation summary will show, database type MySQL, database server is localhost, database port is default. Okay, next step, congratulations, we already done. Yes, this is our Zabbix dashboard. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye Dixie. Bye.